Okay, this is a 3100 PSI Generac power washer. The first thing you want to do before you do anything is you want to first hook your water source to here. Put your water hose there. Don't turn it on yet. Then you want to connect the hose like that. Then you connect your wand just like that. Now what you want to do, if you are going to use a solution to wash, you want to use the black nozzle. You'll take your clear hose here and you'll put it down into your solution that you're going to be using. Now before you start the Generac power washer, put in the tip you want, turn your water on, and then start the Generac power washer. Now before you, what you want to do is pull the trigger to release any pressure that might be in let the water run through. And that should be it. Happy washing.